All right, guys, here you go. A 1968 barn find in the desert in Pahrump, Nevada. This is a 68 Roadrunner 383 Hipo. And here's the kicker, guys. It is a Roadrunner. Check the little Roadrunner on the side. Here's the good part. All number matching car and a 4-speed. All you Mopar fanatics, that's what you're looking for. Here's the car to buy. And it won't take that much to buy it. Get it all done, put it all together, and guess what? You got a car that's worth over 50 grand on retail NADA value. I looked the price up myself. If this was a complete show point, 110 point show car, it'd be worth anywhere close to $45,000 to $50,000. Not much work still needs to be done to it. It is the original paint. Again, all numbers matching. We're gonna go ahead and kick it over right now so you can hear it start up. Go ahead and give it a little gas there, Justin. You guys can hear the roar of that motor. She's ready to go. All right, you can shut it down, Justin. Again, you guys, you know how my auctions last. They don't. I'm not looking for a high bidder. I'm looking for someone that can enjoy the ride and take it to its next potential. Give me a call. You can talk to myself or Daryl. The phone numbers will be on the eBay ad. Thanks a lot for looking, and you guys have a great day.